Hey guys, this is Carpenter Steve. I'm in the woods checking out this fresh scrape from this morning where they got tore up. We got a lot of rain yesterday. I'm gonna ride out this path. Beautiful day in the woods. The deer should be moving today. Right there's a couple right in front of me. I'll put out some corn. These deer are getting too used to me. Come on, move along. What are you guys doing? You gonna stand right there and let me run over you? Come on. What are you doing? Seems like they're pretty relaxed today. I'm going to get in the woods this evening. But yeah, there's a few deer out and about. Like I said, that buck, check that scrape out. I assume it's a buck. So yeah, tune in guys. I'm always on live, so tune in and check things out.